Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Alright, so for today we have something new that just arrived. Okay, so this is the little capsule router that is from Ubiquiti. This is the UDR, okay, the Unified Dream Router. Alright, so basically on the outside, the exterior, it looks the same as the UDM. Okay, except that this time around there's a small little screen. Alright, so there will be another continuation of a video where I will do a startup and installation for this particular unit. Alright, and in my case I have is with the EU power adapter, which I will show it to you. Now on the back you will see that there is of course a standard WAN, okay, and 4 LAN ports, and of course for the UDR we all know that it takes also a SD card. Okay, let's open up this baby and let's see what's inside. Okay, now if you have any questions with regards to this router, please feel free to ask in the comments. We will try our best to answer them for you. Now do note that for this particular router, when you're comparing it with the UDM, okay, it's aggregated throughput. Okay, I stress the word aggregated. Okay, throughput is up to 3 Gbps. Okay, so it's a total of 3 Gbps. Okay, now in terms of the WAN speed and throughput, we won't know till we test it out, and we will find out after we do the testing. I'll be testing it with a 1G WAN connection, okay, and we will see what we get from there, and also to trigger the IPS and IDS. Okay, so now the first touch and first feel, it looks and feels the same as a UDM. Okay, now in this case it's actually a Wi-Fi 6 access point on top. All right, so for those who have had the UDM, you will know that actually on the top, the cover, if you remove it, the antennas are all here. Okay, now I'm not going to remove this antenna. Right, now then you have your slot for your SD card, okay, and your 4-port switch, out of which 3 and 4 is actually for the PoE, where Ubiquiti encourage you to use the Unifi Protect, where you can connect the cameras, and of course to also have the Unifi Protect app. Right, let's take a look and see what else is inside here. Okay, so as usual, you have your quick start guide, declaration, and in my case we have the EU power adapter. Okay, this is the EU power cord. Okay, other than that, there's also another bracket here. Okay, I'm not sure what's that for. I got to figure it out, and I'll update you guys on that. Other than that, oh, I think I know, it's to push out the SIM. Okay, let me take a look at that. I think so, maybe. Okay, I'm not sure about that. Okay, anyways, all right, so for the micro SD card, okay, make sure that you get it for those that is used for video recording. Okay, that's very, very important, or else then the lifespan of the micro SD card is going to be very, very short. Okay, there are specific and special memory cards to be used for video. All right, so make sure you keep a lookout for those, and then to make sure that you use those for the video recording if you are using Unifi Protect. All right, okay, so this basically concludes my quick video on the unboxing for the UDR. Alright, if you have any questions, please feel free to write in a comment, and if you enjoyed the video, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.